Oh, yes, come through, lighting, come through. Guys, I am rocking vintage. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ndafa and I am the content creator behind That Girl from Nothing. So I am really happy that you guys are here with me, that you're viewing this video, and that yeah, so I am doing a vlog. I'm not so sure if this is a travel vlog or a weekend vlog. I am currently in Omaruru for a workshop, and I can't exactly vlog anything at this workshop because phones and the force and the setting I'm in, it really just doesn't permit. So I'm probably gonna film like bits of this and that, and then I'm just going to continue the whole vlog in the north. So for now, please do enjoy this video. Give me a massive thumbs up if you do like it. Leave me a comment, interact with me, and let me know what you thought of the video, and don't forget to subscribe.
You taking a picture of my armpit? No. Road trip.
Look at the late one.
We were just on the plane. Look with her big suitcase. If overpacking was a problem.
Less can. He's always late.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not lazy because I cannot pay like that.
Paparazzi. Hi.
Like, what else?
That is nice. Oh my god, guys. The hair is not behaving. So I am now going to the auditorium, and we're going to have like de-stress management workshop kind of thing, and we're told to wear like semi-casual, yeah. And now I just feel so formal. I don't know, but cute. Oh my god. I will catch you guys on the flip side. They were cute, guys. I look so cute. Anyone got so cute. Oh, yes. Come through, lighting. Come through.
So we also have to be mindful. And you as men should also feel free to share when you have these
Consent.
We're done with the work and we can finally start playing.
Okay.
So we're gonna head to town. It sounds very clever.
Now we are walking.
Can we get maybe a wine that like we've never tried?
Like what?
Oh, amarula.
Now we need to tell the people that we are going to town
Okay.
to get some drinks. Drinks.
We don't drink.
Yeah.
We are Jesus' daughters.
And we just need getting some happy juice, and then we'll be back.
Just do you know what would have been
A
perfect?
monkey? Only
That
if you had a
game.
banana.
Can I jump? Okay, let me run small before I come jump.
Call him. This is excitement of a good picture.
1, 2, boom.
Ooh, this is cute. Oh my god. Mongoli wants to be in our video. Okay, Mongoli.
Me, I'm posing.
Hi.
I don't know if you want to person.
Do you like it?
I do.
Hi, Finally. Oh, look at her. Oh, okay.
Yes.
You also like the video?
Yeah.
Hi. So good. Oh, let's get one like you need to see me. Hello. Oh my god, this is nice. Now we need to walk back to our sleeping place. No, you don't need it. Tomorrow you don't.
Do a 360. Oh, there's a car. The rock is there, but it's in my video.
So we just returned now from the shops, and I think we're just going to freshen up before we start with the rest of the day. And yeah. Good morning, guys. Hi. It is the following day. I had an amazing night. It was so nice. Also, I'm not home in for a workshop, and I didn't have a pillowcase, and the only thing I packed was a throw, because usually we get this nice blanket, but it looks like this time around we got this one, and it's still good enough, so it's not a bad thing. And then yeah, we had a live band, we had good food, great conversation. Oh my god, we had this insightful presentation. Like, oh, it was so beautiful. It was amazing. The day is just to go take a bath right now. Everybody has already bathed or like showered, so go take a shower and then go for breakfast and then just come finish packing up my stuff. You guys, on the flip side, I think that will be when we are on the bus. That's when I'm gonna give you guys another update, or like just film. I can't exactly film as we're going to have breakfast because I don't think it's appropriate to film in the dining hall. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later. On my way to the Biltong shop now. So this one, they just spotted a snake track, if that is what it is. Now everybody all of a sudden is walking fast. How do you know it's fresh? Oh my god. Even Leskin was running.
I don't think
We got Biltong! Are you excited? Because you were sad yesterday that the Biltong shop was closed.
It's the highlight of our
Yes. That shop has really good
That's
Biltong.
a highlight.
And guys, I done saw my face will crash in the Biltong shop.
And this girl did not want to talk to the guy.
No, how? How do I
Otherwise,
just?
his whole family, maybe they would have laughed.
But I think
when life isn't going your way and you feel like you're stuck or going nowhere. I can't make miracles happen, but I can reduce the pain and hope that eventually everything will be okay. If you got a problem, tell me. If something amazing happened, let me hear it. If you want to go days or months without talking to get yourself together, just know I'll still be here. Don't ever feel like you're not good enough to be someone's friend. Because trust me, you are. Chin up, eyes forward. You got this. Take the next step. Look towards the future.
this video, leave me a comment, subscribe, please subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe. Oh my God, it's that English, Jamani.
What was it?
Subscribe. Ah!